I remember reading this very interesting judgment from the Punjab High Court about 2 months back. And when I wanted to make a video regarding the same, I went back to the judgment, and the cause title of the case is Sujan Multiports Limited versus State of Haryana. The case number is Criminal Main Petition number 12329 of 2018. The judgment was pronounced on 12/3/2019. This case generally dealt with the level of application of mind that is required by a magistrate when he is hearing a petition under 156(3) Cr.P.C. So basically, as you know, a 156(3) petition is made before a magistrate when the police refuses to register an FIR and proceed against the accused. So getting back to this judgment that we are discussing about, there is this one observation that was made by this honorable judge, where he says that there is a distinction between an offence being made out and when you can say an offence is disclosed. Basically, what this judgment conveys is that at the stage of 156(3), an offence must be disclosed in the information that is provided by the informant. But only in the later stage should you be looking at whether the offence is made out. So although we use these two terms interchangeably, here the judge says that they convey two different meanings altogether, and he says that they are two different levels of appreciation of facts and they operate at two different stages of criminal proceedings. Although this is an amazing find, in fact, when you come to think of it, when you read a complaint that is made before the police, that is just the information that is given to the police, or the petition that is filed before a magistrate under section 156(3), one could say that the ingredients of the offence should be made out, but when you exclude the word ingredients, you can use the word disclosed. So is the offence disclosed? Now, as per this particular judgment, when the information is being given to the magistrate through a 156(3) petition, or when the information is being given to the police, what they have to see is at, say, stage or level 1 of appreciation of the contents, and they have to look at whether the ingredients are satisfied. And after that level comes the stage or level 2, when the charge sheet is being filed. Say when the charge sheet is being filed, that is when you know whether the offence is made out. So that is a different level of appreciation of facts. But when you come to the landmark judgment of Lalita Kumari versus State of Uttar Pradesh, which was obviously pronounced by a constitutional bench of the Supreme Court, here in paragraph 110 of this landmark judgment, the Honorable Supreme Court has used the word or phrase made out while referring to an information being given to the police. So as you can see, it reads, however, if no cognizable offence is made out in the information given, then the FIR need not be registered immediately, so on and so forth. But when you read 111, which is the conclusive guidelines that was being given by the Supreme Court, here it says that if the information discloses commission of a cognizable offence, and in the second guideline you can see if the information received does not disclose a cognizable offence, and the third and fourth guidelines also use the word disclosed rather than made out. But as you can see, we use it interchangeably. Even I have used it interchangeably in many of my articles or in my podcasts or in these YouTube videos. But if we learn to separate them and use them at the appropriate places, I think it would make more sense, because at the stage of FIR or at the stage of 156(3), an offence must be disclosed, but whereas in a later stage an offence must be made out from the material that is being given. Now that is a very impressive observation that was made by the Punjab High Court. I think we can appreciate these nuances in law and we can try using these terms at the appropriate places, and henceforth I will make sure that I write or use these terms in the right manner when I write my articles or do my podcasts or share these videos with you. I hope this information was useful. I know this is not a serious information, but you can anyway make use of the right word whenever or wherever required. Please do subscribe to our channel for more of these interesting nuances that we can learn to appreciate better. Thank you.